underscored my role as a journalist, not just to report what politicians say, but to challenge them, push for clarity, and demand accountability. These experiences reaffirm why the media plays a vital role in the elections. We are not here to be liked by politicians. We are not here to serve as their mouthpiece. We are here to ensure that our voters get the full picture. At GMA Integrated News, we take this responsibility seriously. Our commitment to ang aming mas malaking misyon at mas malawak na paglilingkod sa bayan means that we will continue to fact-check, investigate, and report the truth regardless of political affiliations. Dapat totoo. In the 2025 elections, we will be at the front lines debunking disinformation to help voters make informed decisions. Sa dami na nakikita at nababasa niyo online, alam niyo ba kung ano ang totoo at ano ang fake?